Oh my gosh, man, what happened to your
We
phone?
flipped over on the jet ski and we just went underwater.
God damn, look at this. Damn. Don't worry, I got you. We're gonna change the whole color and see if we can fix this. Let's go. God damn, look at that. Water is everywhere. It's rusty screws and everything. Look at all this water. This one is missing. Damn, look at that. Oh my gosh. We're gonna replace the whole thing now. I'm gonna clean this. Screen is ready. We're gonna do surgery now. Surgery time. Cancer is everywhere. I'm gonna replace this whole thing. We cannot use this. Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Wow, you saved my phone. 5 years worth of pictures.
It looks brand new. Like, looks like we just bought it from the Apple store.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.